Ever wondered how many moments your Sony A7 IV has captured, or how much life is left in its shutter? Today, we're diving deep into how to check your Sony A7 IV's shutter count, why you're a crucial piece of information for both buyers and owners looking to understand their camera's usage. The easiest and most reliable method involves a small JPEG image after taking a photo with your A7 IV. Transfer it to your computer. Now, let's find that image. You can use online shutter count checkers or dedicated desktop software. For this tutorial, we'll use a common online tool. Simply upload your JPEG image to the website. The website will then analyze the image's EXIF data. And there you have it, your Sony A7 IV's shutter count. Right there, this tells you how many times the shutter mechanism has fired, giving you insight into the camera's overall usage. This number is vital for potential buyers. It's a direct indicator of how much the camera has been used, impacting its resale value and potential for future maintenance. For current owners, knowing your shutter count can help you budget for future maintenance or replacements, ensuring your camera stays in top condition for all your creative endeavors. So next time you're assessing your gear, remember this simple step to unlock your Sony A7 IV's shutter count and its true story. Happy shooting!